Hey everyone, on this lecture we are going to study some lexical conventions in OCaml. We begin with identifiers, or names of the variables and functions. In OCaml, identifiers are sequences of letters, digits, the underscore character, and the single quote character starting with a letter or an underscore. Also very important to bear in mind that OCaml is a case-sensitive programming language. Hence, it distinguishes between lowercase letters and uppercase letters. Here we can see some examples of identifiers. We have here name. Okay, notice how name, this n is in uppercase. If we had another variable with this also name, okay, identifier, but the n in lowercase, they will be two different variables. Then we have here the player ID, okay, using this underscore, variable 123, field with an uppercase, and then we see a single quote, C# with an underscore in between, and a single quote, and here we see Earth 90, right? So this is how we define identifiers in OCaml. Very well. So now let's see words that are reserved in the OCaml programming language that we then cannot use as identifiers. These are called keywords. So all of these words are keywords in OCaml, and so they are reserved. We cannot use them to represent the variable name or a function name. Some of them are from conditional structures, others from iterative structures. We are going to study them as we dive deep in the course. In OCaml, we can introduce comments very easily. In order to introduce a comment, we begin with these two characters, an opening parenthesis and asterisk. And if we want to terminate a comment, we here type an asterisk and a closing parenthesis, right, with no intervening blanks. So we can use this to comment a single line, as this example. We can also use this notation to comment multiple lines in our code. Remember that a comment in a programming language is a piece of text that is added to the source code for human understanding and documentation purposes. Comments are ignored by the compiler or the interpreter, which means that they do not affect the execution of the program. Very well, with this we end this brief lecture on the lexical conventions in OCaml. On the following lecture we are going to study expressions.